I've been making stuffed peppers for as long as I can remember, but this is my absolute favorite version, hands down, with poblanos, stuffed poblanos. I use turkey, ground turkey, it's delicious. These are an introductory spice level, so a little bit of heat, not much at all, because I can handle it. And then I put some onions, some garlic, some cheese, and then I top it all with chamoy. That is the most wonderful flavor over the top of this. You can make your own chamoy, which is kind of a sweet, spicy, ketchupy type sauce, but it roasts up so beautifully in the oven, giving these a gorgeous chamoy coating. You gotta try these. It's really easy. Let's get started. First, I poke holes in the poblanos and microwave them for about 2 minutes. It just creates a slightly softer texture after you bake them. You don't have to do this. First, I need to mix everything into the turkey. I'm adding my onion and my garlic. I'm adding cumin and chili powder and salt. And most of my cheese. Give it a good mix. I cut these open and I take out the seeds and the stems of some of them, and then I just need to stuff these. Then I want to take this chamoy and just spoon it over generously. So good and flavorful. And then I'll add the last of my cheese. After about 30 minutes at 400, they are ready to serve.